Hi, this is Jason, and you're watching How Is This Legal?
Good.
What is it? It's dead.
Oh, that's horrible.
I know, I hate raisins.
Oh! Actually, what serial killer? And dash that raisin there, bro.
This is illegal.
I'd say 0 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
3.
That's a -3. Are you okay?
Low, 2.
Oh, jeez. Avocado and Nutella.
Shavakadoo! That's definitely chocolate. That can't be. That can't be poo.
It looks like something shitty on the avocado.
I think this is gonna be. What? Let me just.
It was done the same to mine, so.
Oh, this is tragic. I made a mess, Harley.
And then put them on your lap so that they're out of shot.
Thanks, Mum.
Lovely.
That's my favourite out of all of them.
Absolutely love it.
I'm like ready to go again.
The look of it wasn't great, but I would give it like a 6 or 7.
No, I'll give this a 9 because I quite like this. I would eat this.
I'm
as
giving this a
dessert.
1.
Maybe they go well together.
Yep.
Let's have more.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh, ice cream. What is on the ice cream?
Oil.
Is that olive oil?
Oh.
Let's pretend it's lemon sauce.
I actually quite like it.
I think you need a good ratio of ice cream to olive oil.
Oh.
You didn't get the right ratio.
I'm gonna give it a 0 too.
1.
Wow.
Well, I would rate it like 2, but I feel like something worse is gonna come up, so I'm gonna say 3.
Oh no.
No, that's definitely milk.
Oh, that's, yeah. I see you're supposed to put the milk instead of Ribena.
Oh my god, man, just bits and bobs.
I like that.
Cheers.
The more I drink it, the less I like it.
3.
I'm gonna say 5.
I would give it 7.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Oh.
Oh.
Reese's Pieces and
Gherkin.
gherkin, yeah.
Imagine you're at home, you go to the fridge when you open it. Let me grab a Reese's peanut butter cup and pickles.
I quite like that.
I don't hate it.
Why would you ruin like a Reese's piece with some gherkin?
I'm not sure.
Do you think the balance was right? We've had a few people say that it needed more pickle.
What? It would have been better without the pickle.
What is that?
Oh my god, it's a pea.
Okay.
Mince pie and cheese. It's apple pie.
Even though I'm lactose, I love cheese.
Cheers.
My esophagus is definitely getting scratched up.
It's so hard to swallow.
Oh, that's really bad. Whoever invented cheesecake, it must have taken a long time to get that balance right.
Ew.
I buttered the cheese.
Oh, I like that. That's nice.
Yeah, I think it works.
That was 1 out of 10. That was horrible.
3, 4.
10.
I'd say maybe like 8.
Oh.
You know what? No, we can vibe with this.
Oh, this is mix and mayo and Doritos.
Doritos and sour cream.
Bless up.
Oh my god, yogurt.
Yogurt. Oh. Do you like it? No.
That's pretty good.
Go back for some more.
That's reasonable.
I gave it a 4 just because it's not amazing.
Nah, this is like an 8 out of 10 still.
Yeah, it is really
I
good.
can vibe with this.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Hang on, it can't just be just watermelon. No, look.
Oh, it's a little bit juicy.
into the same
Okay, you ready?
Let's give it a go.
Okay.
Oh, it tastes like a Big Mac.
But it actually does taste like a Big Mac.
Big Mac. I think only because of the mustard.
That's actually pretty good. I think it's just because mustard tastes like a Big Mac anyway.
Yeah, and then the watery of the watermelon.
This is actually pretty good. It's not bad at all.
Really?
I'd probably say a 6 out of 10.
I give it a 6.
I give it a strong 3.
Well, how could this be improved?
Don't do it.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.